Laser pointer.
Go get it, Carmen.
Put it on his nose.
Oh, what's that?
Try on
Carmen.
Sassy's.
Carmen, treat. He's tired.
It's so cute. Oh my god. Do it on the tip of his tail. Do it on the tip of his tail. He'll chase it all around. Comet. Come, what's that? Right there.
Carmen. What's that, boy?
This is so funny. Do it on his tail. Make him do a loop around him.
Carmen. Sassy.
Yeah, let's see if Sassy can do it.
Sassy.
Nah. Alright, that's it. Okay?